How to verify ULTA card. When you receive your ULTA Beauty card, it should come with instructions for activation and verification, usually found in the welcome packet. Visit the Community Bank website, the issuer of ULTA Beauty cards, and log in or create an account, then follow the prompts to activate your card. Call the activation number provided on the sticker attached to your card or in the welcome packet. You'll likely need to provide your card number, security code, and possibly some personal information for verification. If Community Bank offers a mobile app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Follow the prompts to add your card and activate it. If you encounter any issues, you can contact ULTA Beauty credit card support directly for help. Once verified, your ULTA card should be ready to use both in store and online. Thanks for watching.